A big thank you to Amity International School, Mayur Vihar, for really opening your minds and hearts to a concept like the period party. We're celebrating something which is a very normal physiological function of our bodies, and that is periods. I would like to invite all of you to put in your maximum attention, engagement, interact with the team today. There's going to be a lot of games, there's going to be a lot of interaction, opportunity to ask questions. Please make use of this time. A big thank you, of course, to Amity International, Mayur Vihar, for allowing us to do this. A big shout out to Sirona that is powering this event today. You know, we need more brands like Sirona who are really committed to bring about a change, not just sell products, but basically bring about a change in perception, change in thoughts, and that goes a long way. Also, a big thank you to our gifting partners today. A lot of you are going to win gifts, so gifting partners, EU Cosmetics and Agapi. Without much ado, let's get going.
Periods is a physiological process, and it involves basically the uterus, the ovaries at the very basal level that you understand, but it also involves our brain, the hypothalamus, the pituitary, because ultimately our periods are guided from here. So these are the things which are stimulated, then they release some hormones, then they act on the end organs, which is the uterus and the ovaries, and that is how the periods happen.
Wash your hands before and after changing the pads, tampons or cups, whatever you are using and comfortable with. Change pads every 4 to 6 hours. Keep the undergarments clean and dry. Use wet wipes or sanitizer if water is not available. Keeping yourself comfortable is equally important. So how do you keep yourself comfortable? Have comfortable clothes. Keep a small period kit in your bag always, so that can consist of extra pads, undergarments, tissues, an extra pair of dress, and never ever you should be ashamed of taking advice for anything you're feeling uncomfortable during the period time.
Periods stop when you go underwater. Is it a myth or a fact?
2 facts and 6 myths.
A little exercise and stretching is always going to help you with your cramps. Passing cloths is always is considered to be heavy bleeding.
Dark color or brown blood means that something is wrong with your body.
Using 2 pads, if you're using it one-on-one, it is not going to help. Because the surface of the pads are different. One is a surface which would absorb, one is a surface which would not let it percolate. So the second pad is just going to make you uncomfortable.
Who got everything correct? Oh, well done.
So Aimsha is our fact queen for today. Can we have a big round of applause for her?
मैंने माउंट एवरेस्ट बेस कैंप सबमिट किया है. मैं जो जाने वाली हूँ उसके प्रिपरेशन में मेरा दिन ख़त्म होने वाला था. मैं इसको नेगलेक्ट नहीं कर सकती थी. तो पीरियड्स आए ना आए मुझे वर्कआउट तो करना है. हाँ, लेकिन जब पीरियड्स आ रहे तब वर्कआउट थोड़ा लाइट वेट से करना है. हेवी वेट आपको उठाना नहीं है, थोड़ा लाइट वेट वर्कआउट करना है. तो पीरियड हमेशा इस दौरान मेरे साथ थे.
This is the time where we are talking about the Viksit Bharat. But Viksit Bharat is not possible without the proper accessibility of the health and hygiene to each and every citizen of our country, whether they are living in a village, whether they are living in a slum area.
When you run here, you take out one product that you think a girl can use while on her period.
1, 2, 3, go!
So the first is a hot water bag. Do we need it on our period? Yes. So that's a win. The next one is Meftal Spaz. Do we need this on our period?
Yes.
So that's a yes. We have pads, which is an easy answer. The next is a cotton roll. This is pure cotton. Do we need it during our periods?
Guys, I would like to introduce the red box. I know it's very cliche, but this box is meant for all of you to share your questions, your concerns, and your queries.
Can we take a bath during periods? We have to. We have to take a bath during periods, no matter it's winters or summers or rainy season.
So my question is that how do you comfort someone who has who is experiencing periods who lives with you?
How period starts?
Well, in PCOS, the common symptoms that you can observe is a lot of acne, hair growth, on the facial hair growth specifically, a sudden weight gain, and irregular periods.